Morning all of you. My name is Aarav. Studying first class. Studying at the school. I live in Jargit and my favorite color is golden. My favorite T-shirt color is white. My favorite cartoon is Cookie and. Hello everyone. My name is Aarav. I am 6 years old. I live in Charkitadri. I like to play with the basketball. I like potato. Dislike chili. Thank you. My name is Monika. I am 7 years old. I am studying second standard. My school name is Monika English School. I am in Bengaluru. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Monika. I am 7 years old. I am from Bengaluru. I like play Ludo. I like red color. I like cucumber and I dislike carrot vegetable. Nice to meet you. Thank you. My name is Parth. I am study class first. I am 6 years old. I live in Aarav. Hello everyone, my name is Parth. I am 6 years old. I am from Aarav. I am playing with cycle. I like orange.